Welcome Year 8 and well done on finding this video. This video is the first in a series of videos we're putting together to help you with your home learning. You found this video today on the internet, on the website. From now on though, we're going to be putting these videos on something called Microsoft Teams. This is a piece of software that you can get off the internet, easy to find, easy to use, and you log in using your normal school username and password. It's going to be a very useful site for us because we can put on videos, we can put PowerPoints, we can put on worksheets, things like that, so that you can find them easily. Don't worry, we're still going to be using My Maths for most of your work, and you can still find your work on My Maths as usual. Now today we're looking at circles, so without further ado, let's have a look at a circle. Okay, so let's look at a circle. Here we go. Now there's lots of words to do with circles that we need to know, so we're going to focus on that first of all. So the circle vocabulary you need to know is segment, radius, arc, sector, circumference, diameter, tangent, and chord. Now, it's already well known in the words, but what are they to the circle? Well, let's have a look. Okay, first of all, there's the radius. The radius goes from the middle to the edge of the circle. Doesn't matter which part of the edge, but it's got to start at the middle and go to the edge. Next up, we have the diameter. The diameter goes right the way across the circle, starting from one side, going to the other. It has to pass through the middle. It can go top to bottom, left to right, in fact, from one side to the other in any way, but it's got to go through the middle. Another fact for you, the diameter is always twice as long as the radius. Next up, we have the circumference. Circumference is the name for the line that makes up the edge of the circle. Then we have the arc. The arc is just a part of the circumference, if you like, a section from it. Next we have the tangent. Tangent is a special line. It's a line that touches a circle but doesn't go in it. So it just has one contact point. Next we have the chord. The chord is any line drawn inside a circle, okay, that's not a diameter. So in other words, the chord can join any part of the circle to any other as long as it doesn't go through the middle. If it did, it'd be called a diameter. Next, we've got parts of the circle's area. Now a sector is like a slice of pie or pizza taken out of the circle, whereas the segment is a slice off the side. These are all the key circle vocabularies that we will need for our GCSE exam in the future, but certainly to need to know for this unit of work.